go. Yet again, it's cold. Not as cold as some mornings, but still cold. Okay. I have a headache. I have a headache this morning. Wow, it just seems like everything's messy. Okay, get this coffee going. Get the coffee going. Okay, have the water going. I can't believe it's so late. Oh my goodness. That's why I probably have a headache, is because it's so late and I haven't had any coffee. So we got up really early and moved here. And then I went back to sleep. And I stayed asleep until now, which is like almost 8 o'clock. Wow. I can't believe I slept that late. Oatmeal. I'm gonna have some oatmeal too. So I'm hungry. That feels good. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, and it's warm. Oh, it's warm. It's warm oatmeal. I'll eat my oatmeal. And then I'll press my coffee. I think the sun's trying to peek in. That's nice. I haven't heard one vehicle today. Okay. Yes. A little walk out here to the road. I think it's a little sunny out here occasionally. Maybe I'll get some sun on my face. The sun seems to be down that way a little bit. Not quite hitting here yet. Might have to walk down the road just to get some sun. I'm just gonna walk down the street here a second. Oh, a little bit of sun right there in my face. Ooh. Oh, right there. Oh, sun. I like the sun on my face when I'm cold. Yep, truck's over there. Dang, I think I hear somebody coming. Yeah, I hear a truck coming, so I'm gonna walk back because I'm like literally still in my pajama bottoms too. Person gonna come by and say, what's this crazy lady out here doing? Why is she in pajamas drinking coffee in the woods? Because that's what I like to do. Because that's fun. It's relaxing. Oh, ooh, some sun right here at camp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right there. Speeding on past. This phone literally just a few minutes ago said it had like 49%. Now it's saying it's only down to like 20% battery. So hopefully the microphone's working with it. So I am going to play a game really quick on my phone. Pointer. It's awesome. As you can see, the sun is hitting me in the back, which it feels so good to hit me on the back. Yep, I'm just listening to the earth come alive this morning. Everything's waking up this morning. The sun's coming in. Got the drips coming off of the trees. At one point I thought there was a squirrel taking a pee-pee up in front top of this tree because it was just drip, 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 drip. I was like, wow, that can't be the dew. Sure enough, it was the dew. Yep. The sun is definitely coming alive. So I was thinking of a funny thought last night. So we went to lay down last night, and I was all comfy, but my head was a little lumpy, but I didn't think nothing of it. Well, I was complaining because I couldn't find my little plaid blanket that I always use in the camper. I don't take it out unless I'm going to wash it, and then I put it back in. It's my camper blanket. I always have it in the camper. I couldn't find it anywhere last night. I asked Bob, I was like, where in the world would it have went? Like, where would my little blanket go? I'm like, nobody's going to steal my little blanket. I would hope not. Well, in the middle of the night, my head was all kinked, and I'm like, God, what is this lump behind my pillow? Sure enough, I start pulling out the lump. It was my blanket. I was so happy, though, because my head was cold at that time, so I was like, oh, I'll just wrap that up around my neck. Instant warm. Very instant warm. It was nice. I was so happy to find it. I just thought I'd throw that in there because it was driving me nuts last night. I'm going to go stand in the sun. Ooh. Sun. Yes. The sun feels good. I have a feeling that my camera's probably done. It was at 1%. Oh, that sun feels good. Whew, so glad the sun is up. Oh, and then there it goes. Behind a cloud. Oh, hum. Go away, cloud. Go away, go away, go away. Go away, go away. Come on, go away. Go away, go away, go away. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I walked out to the road just to get some sunshine. We don't have any sun on the truck yet. So am I. Oh, we will soon though. It just hasn't made it that far yet. We have little bits coming in here and there. I could go stand right over here and get some sun, see? Oh, it does feel good on the back. Yes, it does. Feels good on the face. All right. Someone's ready to drive by. So drinking my coffee. I'll just go ahead and wave to them. Like a nice person. Ugh. 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 Cold coffee. Really cold coffee. Ugh. You see my background is very pretty. I like it when the sun comes through like that. It looks cool. I'm just still babbling on, waiting for this camera to die. Like 1%'s lasting a long time. Can't believe it. Yeah. I'm not going to drink any more coffee, though. I get coffee tummy. And it's cold. Ugh, a little thick this morning. I used some leftover coffee that was in the truck for a couple of weeks or so. I don't know. And it didn't seem like the best coffee this morning. Did the trick. It was warm. But a little rough. Almost like drinking mud. Duh. Yeah. Very little reception out here. It's very, very hard to get anything, but I'm going to try. No signal right here, no. I don't know where I have enough signal here. So I need to check the weather, though. And I don't know what the weather is going to be today. Let's check the weather. If it'll give me the weather. I don't know if it's going to give me the weather. Shoot. Hopefully it's not going to rain. I can't believe this video is still recording. It was at 1% like a long time ago. Okay. Oh, yay. It's 55 degrees, which is not overly bad. That's not overly bad, 55. Let me see, a high of 65 today, which is really not bad at all. 65. 65. Cloudy, though. Cloudy. 78 tomorrow. 78 degrees tomorrow. This is Florida. We could have a 55 one day. The next day it could be 78. 81 possible. Let's see. Ooh, but we got some cold days coming up. Oh, yeah, we do. When I see 58, oh, that's really cold to us Floridians. Yes. The weather. It's not looking so bad, though, is it? Florida. I'm going to sit down a little bit more. Yep, I'm just going to sit here for a little bit longer. It's almost 10 o'clock, so Bob usually crawls out of the stand around 10 o'clock when I'm here with him. The pull of me at camp, you know. If he was out here by himself, he'd stay out probably till around 12, 11:30, 12. Come in, eat, take a nap, and then go back out. But because I'm here, he'll want to make sure I'm okay, and he'll want to come in. So about 10 o'clock is usually about as long as he can stay out when I'm here. So here by 10:30, he should be back, I would assume. And I can't believe his phone is still recording. Like, way to go, Apple. Yeah, there he is. And I can't believe this phone is still recording.
I was looking for orange.
Nope, I'm right here.
I see you now. Did you hear the coyotes this morning? Huh?
No, I went out. Like, when I say I was out, I was out. So, whew.
At least I saw one buck.
Me too. Is that the same one? On the drive over here?
In the headlights.
Oh, you hear that buck grunting?
Yeah, nothing came in.
No. You're funny. So then I just sat here at the end because the sun would occasionally come
So
in.
you didn't even get up to after 8 o'clock?
Oh, it was like about 8 o'clock, yeah.
Wow. That's like 2 hours later than normal for you.
I had a headache.
Oh.
And I had the headache because of, I think, getting up later and I didn't drink coffee early enough. When you're done with that spoon, I'll eat my oatmeal too.
Oh, okay, I'll hurry.
Well, I didn't say hurry. I didn't say hurry. Not what I meant.
Yeah, that sucks.
Very calm and peaceful this morning.
It's beautiful, right? And the birds chirping.
Oh my goodness. You know, at one point I thought that there was a squirrel up here in this tree peeing because like the dew dripping off of it was like a stream. I was like, God, is there a squirrel up there taking a pee-pee? Me too. I was like, holy cow. But it wasn't. It was literally just the dew coming off the tree.
Use my spoon for a little bit. Just make sure you don't leave any of that shit on it when you hand it back to me.
Oh,
Gross.
what? Mine's the best oatmeal. It's the best tasting one. Here comes a vehicle, huh? Maybe. Yep. Oh boy. Yum.
I heard one drive by, that was it. I heard something drop or make a loud noise about 9 o'clock. Was that you?
Oh. Possibly. There you go. No, I didn't try to. I had the...
Almost sounded like a gunshot.
Oh, no. I had the cooler here. And I got up in there to grab something. When I got out, I hit the end. And the whole cooler went flying up. My foot slipped off and it hit the tailgate. It could have been about that time. That would have probably been about the time that, I was getting back up in there. Ugh. Yeah, it just has kind of a dampish day.
I'm gonna roll it up, I think.
Yep. So we're getting ready to roll on out of here, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's been nice.
Yeah.
I enjoyed this spot, really.
Yeah, it's a nice spot, secluded. Even though it's on a road, it's still
It was
not
nice.
much traffic.
No, what, maybe 2 or 3 cars.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. It was really nice. So, well, we're on our way out.
Let's see what we find now.
Yep. My bad. They're in the basket. I accidentally left the keys in the bed of the truck. Bob got everything closed up, got ready to go, and I forgot the keys in the bed of the truck. So, my bad, my bad, my bad. Let's see how he looks when he gets back. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Sorry.
It's okay.
Right where I said they were, though. Now, off we go. Got a dog running up here in front of us. Right in the center of the road.
Dog's fast.
Yeah, it is. He is running. Dog must think he's in trouble. Look at it go. Oh, it said, uh-oh, am I in trouble? I think I might be in trouble. I think I might be in trouble. I need to pick it up, pick it up. I must run, run.
He's going 23 miles an hour.
Wow. Puppy dog.
Let's slow down so he doesn't kill himself.
Yeah. No, puppy. I hope you find your master.
He doesn't want us to help him.
Nope.
We'll
He's
try.
clearly running away from us every time we get close. He just takes off even faster.
Yeah,
Poor thing's gonna get so tired.
Yeah, I don't want to hurt him.
Yeah, no. Bob needs to go jump out because he thinks he found a pond. And give that dog time to run up in front a ways and slow down a little bit and catch his breath. He was just running really fast. Really fast.
Have him on him, yeah.
And on top of that, up in Chris Swamp right now, you're not allowed to pull your dog and run after anything. So the second I see her get a hair up her butt and go after something,
Yeah.
she gets nailed.
Gotcha, yeah.
I
All right, talk to you later, dude.